About 6:23 and today is 22nd of June 2021. So hope you guys are making good money, and if you are not, then it's right time for you to join my channel, join my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel, join me on my Twitter account. So this is my Telegram channel where in the morning I gave Oriental Abrasive at about 10 minutes, 3 minutes past 10, and my buy was at 33. And see here, I've given targets 35, 38, 40, 45, and so on and so forth. And see what exactly has happened. I would like to show you. This is how the stock blasted, right? This is how the stock blasted. It gave a very, very good move. Just see here, this is how the stock blasted and closed at 36.3, right? So you all entered because I suggested and you trust me, all that is fine, but you should know about your stock, right? That's a very, very important thing. So I thought I'll present the stock to you. What is exactly, see, I have ready stocks for tomorrow, right? I am going to give those stocks because I know the business, I know what they are doing, how they are doing. So when I understand business, I actually have conviction, because having conviction in what you're doing is very, very important. So because I have worked upon their fundamentals, I worked upon what the company does, and all the aspects that are needed for one to put the money in that particular stock, I'm going to give it tomorrow, but I have done my work today. So similarly, this Oriental Abrasive, I have done my work on it yesterday. So let me take you to the screener.in, where I have opened up, all about Oriental Abrasive and what exactly, where the fundamentals stand and how's the company doing. So the market cap is about 362 crores. You can see the current price. You can see the, the P is pretty high, right? I didn't find the fundamentals very attractive, but at the same time, industry looks to me as if it's about to give a boom, right? Just let's have a look. The ROC is about 7.85%. ROE, return on equity, is just 5%, slightly less than 5%. Then let's go to the company's pros and the cons. So the pros are basically that the company has reduced debt. Company has actually is almost debt free. Then comes, the company has delivered the cons are basically the company has delivered a poor sale growth of about 1% over past 5 years, which is really not a good thing. Company has low return on equity, which is 7.54%. Dividend payout has been low, which is 14%. And the company's cost of borrowing seems high. So these are pretty negative things. But keeping in mind the last 2 years have not been very good for any of the industry which is in the manufacturing, we can discount that part. Let's see with that respect, who are the peers, like you have 𝐻𝐈𝐕𝐄, Norton, Carborundum Universal, When India, all these are the peers. In this, Oriental Abrasive is the most cheap stock amongst all of these. And if you have a look at the industry PE, it's pretty high, and this is one is the with the least PE, right? As far as the market cap is concerned, the two, 𝐻𝐈𝐕𝐄, Norton, and Carborundum Universe, have pretty huge market cap, whereas this is really a tiny company with that respect, right? It's a mid cap, basically, not even mid cap, it's a small cap. So now let's have a look. There is one point in the financials or the balance sheet that I liked, and I'm going to share that in a minute. But see how the sales have been. There was a little dip in June 20 and September, but after that the market it's picking up, right? So the dip is inevitable, like all companies. This one also, because of pandemic, there was a bit of dip. So इस कंपनी में अगर हम देखते हैं कि ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट मार्जिन, हालांकि जून में और सितंबर में एक डिप था, बट ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट मार्जिन्स आर स्टेबल, राइट? Now we want to check what is happening to the sales. तो sales भी एक ऑलमोस्ट एक स्टैग्नेंट है, कुछ खास इंप्रूवमेंट नहीं है, राइट? Now I want to see their borrowings. What is happening to the borrowings? How is the borrowing? Just a sec here. Borrowings here, right? So they have reduced borrowing. अगर आप notice करते हो, from 2010 where they have about 60 crores, and then in 2017 where they had, and 18 when they had about no, sorry, these are the borrowings, where they had 63 crores, 92 crores, 56 crores. Right now they have almost 27 crores, which is negligible, right? Then they have other liabilities. The other liabilities are also slowly going down, right? So which is a positive point. The point that I really liked about the company is that they have cash from the operating activity, right, which is 30 crores. It has never been negative. If you notice, the cash from operating activity is always positive, right? It's a very positive point about a company. It's not a company which you can say is sick or like will have some kind of issues. So that is a positive point. Now I went into their website because I feel, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जब मैं कोई कुछ प्रोडक्ट खरीद रही हूँ या मैं किसी को सजेस्ट कर रही हूँ कि आप ये लो, ये प्रोडक्ट खरीदो, मुझे उस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में सारी जानकारी होनी चाहिए. तो कल मैंने इसके ऊपर सारी रिसर्च की थी. तो इनके डिफरेंट डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. जैसे ये जो आप देख रहे हैं, बिल्डिंग बनाने में जो एक एडहेसिव यूज होता है, जो कि ब्रिक्स को या ईंटों में जो ऊपर नीचे का स्पेस होता है उसको अच्छे से कनेक्ट करके सीमेंट के साथ बाउंडिंग बनाता है. तो वो ये लोग मोर्टर, इसको लिखा हुआ इन्होंने रिफ्रैक्टरी मोर्टर्स, राइट? तो वो बनाते हैं ये लोग. Then they are making constables, right? So OL produces wide range of refractory raw material, right? So refractory is basically where these molten iron ore or aluminum ore is actually melted. So you need special kind of material to make the walls of that refractory. So they make these uh, materials for these refractories, and high performance conventional constable manufactured from in-house raw material. OL also produces superior quality of low cement constable, which is ideal for application under critical environment of temperature, high temperature furnaces. Company can develop, like, so this is their specialty. Like, what matters is your company where you're investing should have a niche business. Like the business, उनका जो business है, बहुत लोग आराम से और easily copy ना कर पाए, right? So this definitely falls into that category. Then ceramic propellants, right? So let's see what exactly it does. So it says that they are also manufacturing IS propellants, which are basically is an immediate strength superior grade of propellant, is manufactured using unique ceramic material blends, bauxite, as the principal raw material and strength imparting additive. So like I was interested in knowing, what exactly are the specifications, whatever, but I was wanting to know what are the applications their products have, right? So different applications, I wanted to just have a look, because if we understand the application, we'll be able to find out. So here are the applications. So here it says that iron and steel, blast furnace, ladle, reheat furnaces, cement and lime, ferroalloys, glass and ceramics, boilers and power plants, aluminium, foundry, petroleum and ceramics. So this is where these products are used. And if you must have noticed, like I'm going to show you something. A few days back, I have given Somani Ceramics, right? So Somani Ceramics had consolidation in this region, and then it just blasted from this price, right? 500 to straight away 650, right? So if the ceramic demand is going up, the company is performing good. The like ancillaries, which are basically providing the raw material or the manufacturing like furnaces and all, will also do well, right? So that was my thought process when I gave you this oriental orient Orient Abrasive, right? That was my thought process, and I found it good in my technical setup, and look at the blast today itself. It gave a 20% move. See, the only stock in my list of all the breakout stocks, there's the only one which gave about 6%, 20%, return. And even from the level which we entered, it's exactly 10% return that the company has given today. So what I mean here is that my aim is only to educate you until you learn. My aim is to make you earn some profit. So here is what I gave right at about 10 o'clock or so. So around 10 o'clock, I gave Vaibhav Goyal and Global and Oriental Abrasives. These are the two stocks I gave on my Twitter handle. And please be present here. See, HFCL I've given on February 23rd to buy at 30.6, and stop loss was 28, and the target that I have given was 40. But today it closed about, it had a high of 68.5. People have sent me so many screenshots that how they minted money in this particular stock. So remain connected. My whole objective, whole idea is to educate you and to give you some stocks where you all can make good money. And once you make money, it should be your personal resolve to really, learn about the stock market, right? Please, what choice you make, that decides, how much you will learn about stock market. If you're just going to join some obsolete course where there is no reinvention of the traders or no research being done by the traders, they're just marketing a mix, then you will fall into a trap, right? So be an intelligent investor. Be an investor who knows about market, who understand fundamentals, who can. So, as far as our smart money multiplier course is concerned, what we really do is we train you for about intense training for about 1.5 months to 2 months. And then after that, 3 months, we help you in finding out the stocks, right? And then you can repeat your course also. And then we have a group where only very serious thought process about how to select a stock, how to read the balance sheet, how do you really find out the gems out of the बिल्कुल absolutely bottomed out stock, कैसे आप ढूंढोगे वो stock जो कि जिसमें एक breakout आने वाला है, या एकदम डाउन एंड आउट स्टॉक है और उसके फंडामेंटल्स बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है, तो वो सब हम उस ग्रुप में डिस्कस करते हैं, राइट? दैट काइंड ऑफ लर्निंग व्हिच इज गोइंग टू बी ऑलमोस्ट लाइफ लॉन्ग, आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगी, राइट? सो चॉइस इज योर्स. आई एम नॉट गोना इंसिस्ट अपॉन दैट, but please don't fall into a trap. That is a simple thing that I want to tell you. If you want to educate yourself, just do your due diligence and find out the good place where you can learn. But till then, till you are doing that, you can just join me here and get one or two excellently outstanding stocks over here. So with this, I'm signing off and hoping that you are staying connected with StockPro on Twitter, on Telegram, wherever, right? Wherever. So here this is my Telegram channel, StockPro at the rate of official, StockPro official, and I have about 2 lakh plus student subscribers. Just join it here and you will get my very, very excellent research. I'm saying excellent because I've seen very few stop losses are hit, and I put every ounce of energy that I have. जो भी मुझे आता है, जो भी मैं समझती हूँ about the market, मैं सब कुछ लगा देती हूँ अपना, so that मैं ऐसा आपको एक स्टॉक दूं जिसमें आपका स्टॉप लॉस हिट ना हो. तो कल मिलते हैं लाइव मार्केट में, and stay tuned, remain connected on my Telegram channel here and get some very nice stock. So all the best, guys. Hoping for that you remain healthy, you remain safe, and you make good money. And if you make good money, it's your responsibility to introduce stock pro to others, right? This is your responsibility. I'm doing my level best. It's your responsibility. And if you feel like, you can subscribe by my channel and share the content that I'm making for you. All the best and take care, guys. See you tomorrow in the live market with another video. Bye bye. Take care.